family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Momiang. I'm a mother of two. I'm not single. I've been told by one of my subscribers I should state where I am, if I'm married or single. So I'm not single, and I'm a mother of two, as I said, a 4-year-old girl and a 9-month son, turning 9 months this month, 18th of this month, sorry. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you an update of my furnitures. So let's start, then I will explain to you why I prefer this kind of seats from the other kind of seats that I have. So there's this 3-seater which is big with size. It can fit someone can sleep on this seat, and it is very comfy. The pillows are strong, and there are these throw pillows which I plan to decorate them. Actually, I was stressed wondering what I will do with these seats, because I find brown being a dull color, but I've seen from different people like Joanne Jojo, the way she decorated her seats. So you can check her out for more updates on her furniture. I'll be showing you how I will decorate these covers, these pillows, because I'm planning on putting new covers so that I can brighten up this seat. It is kind of dull, but at the moment, let it stay the way it is. So onto this other side, I have this 1-seater, which is also big and wide in size. Can fit one person. By the way, the 3-seater can fit 4 people if they are not very big. If they are of my size, 4 people can fit on that 3-seater. This is a 1-seater and another 1-seater here. Actually, I was admiring to have this kind of layout in my house. I've been admiring, I wanted this kind of seats for some time, and finally I got them. So on this other side, I have a 2-seater which can fit 3 people, depending on the way these fundis make our seats here in Kenya. This in Kenya can be a 3-seater if you find funny fundi. This is a 2-seater, can fit very comfortably 3 people. You can see my space, another person's space, and that other space. So I've told you, no, by the way, I have to show you, I have also a new carpet. Yeah, I have a new rug, and this is how it looks. And it came with this, like it came with a mat. This is how the carpet looks like. You can see from the video. You can tell me on the comment section if I did the right choice for the carpet, because I thought it was matching. I saw it was matching with the seats. It also came with this, like a doormat, but I'm using these mats for preventing people to step on the tiles. So I have this one that I had before. So when someone is sitting here, they can just place their legs on this mat to avoid the cold on the floors. So, as I said, I will tell you, I still have the same curtains, but planning on, I'll change my curtains too, depending on the colors that I will choose. My plan is to change the curtains. What will match with the throw pillows will match with the curtains and the rug. I'll also have to buy more new rugs, the carpets, and the shears, because for sure I have to change the shears. That is when I want to spice up the house and for it to look good. I still have this mirror on this side. This one is now like a house tour. There's this mirror which is matching with there's this portrait on this other side, and my photo there. Planning on adding more photos of my babies and my family, and the rest of the things, I think you've seen them in my videos, just that it's so as I said, I will tell you the reason as to why I prefer these seats from the other seats. It's because the L seat, okay, I know there are people who have the L seat. I have no issue with that because I've been having the L seat for some time. But the reason as to why I prefer these ones from the L seat is because when you have visitors, they used to like clunge in together, and sometimes someone is not comfortable sitting with the next person, and maybe it is a couple, and now sometimes there are those people who are used to staying close to each other. Now when you come and sit between them, so this seats, when someone comes and they're a couple and they're used to sitting on the same place, they'll just sit on the same place and someone can move on the other side. That is what I thought. Something I've not told you about my seats, they're not brand new. I bought them second hand, they're second hand. So I'm planning to do some modification, like changing these things. I don't know how we call them, I'll not lie. I'm going to change these things. I saw the way Mombi Clay did to her seats, and that is my plan also. I'll show you what I will be doing very soon, because I'm planning on changing this space into something new, looking good. So stay tuned for more videos of my house update. I'll be changing a lot of things in the house. I want to be playing with colors. I'm a person who loves bright colors, and actually I was worried about this seat, but it turned out to be looking good in the house. But I have to do some modification up and there, play with colors, the throw pillows, covers, the carpets, the curtains, and also the wall art, the portraits. I'll be buying more and more of portraits, and I have also to buy more flowers. I love flowers in the house, but not flowers as gifts. So let me show you the way the house looks like. From the door, as you enter, this is the look that you get. So you come in like this. This is the seat. Actually, don't mind the way I've placed this feeding chair. It's because my baby has been playing with that flower over there, and I feel as if he can break it for me. Have a lot of things to change in this house. There is this TV stand. Planning on changing this very soon. Then you come there. My baby has been removing that door, so don't mind the way that place looks like. I had to remove things from here to here because he's pulling things from here to there, from there down, so I had to place them there. That is a first aid kit, and the clean film I have to change to put it in the right place, and my diary. So that is the look over there. As I told you, I have to change these things. You can see. That's how the seat looks like. Curtain still the same. Those shoes over there, you can see them. They're dirty shoes. That is where we place our shoes when you come from outside. My light is on so that I can be able to give you good quality video. The two-seaters. That toy over there is for my baby. I didn't have time to make the house. So that is the look over there. My dining seat. Please like, share, comment down below. Share me out with your friends and family, and I will really appreciate. To my new subscribers, karibu sana, and thank you for joining the family. I really appreciate you guys. I don't take you for granted. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. My premier gang, thank you for being here. This is how the house looks like. I appreciate you all so very much. So you can tell me in the comment section what you think, what I should do, which colors match with brown. As you have seen my rug also, and I've told you also I need to change the rugs as I'm playing with colors. So you can comment down there and tell me which colors you think are best, which match well with this brown seat. So that is how my house looks like at the moment. If you can remember my previous seats, it was an L shape, but now I have these Chester seats. I've been wanting to have the Chester seats for a while, and God blessed me with them. So thank you for watching. Let's meet on my next video. Bye.